Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the topic Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. The history of India begins with the birth of the Indus Valley Civilization. It flourished around 2500 BC in the western part of South Asia. Western part of South Asia includes present Pakistan and Western India. Nothing was known about this civilization till 1920s. In 1920s, one archaeological department of India carried out excavations in the Indus Valley where the ruins of the two old cities were unearthed. The ruins of two old cities unearthed in 1920s were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The Indus Valley civilization is one of the ancient civilizations of the world. This civilization was a contemporary civilization of Mesopotamian, Egyptian and Chinese civilization. Here contemporary civilization means Harappan civilization was existed at the same time of Mesopotamian, Egyptian and Chinese civilization. So our civilization is contemporary civilization of the great civilization of the world, that is Mesopotamian, Egyptian and Chinese. The urban culture of Bronze Age discovered in Harappa was a landmark in Indian history. The research began in 1921 and still in progress. Actually, archaeological surveys were started in 1921 in the sites of Indus Valley civilization, and those discoveries or surveys were still in progress. Harappan culture developed in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. Here, northwestern part of India includes Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Balochistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan and western UP. The newly discovered civilization was called Indus Valley Civilization because it was found on the banks of river Indus. This civilization is also called as Harappan civilization because the first site discovered was Harappa. Harappa was the first city discovered. Thus, Indus Valley civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This Harappan civilization must be understood through the archaeological evidences discovered. To know about Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization, the available sources are only in the forms of archaeological discoveries. Lord Curzon established the Archaeological Department of India in 1904 AD. After this, a number of archaeological surveys were started and also conducted in different parts of India. In 1920s, Sir John Marshall, the then Director General of Archaeological Department, discovered a new civilization in India. With the guidance of Sir John Marshall, various archaeologists conducted surveys in the sites of Indus Valley. So a new civilization was discovered in 1920s. The newly discovered civilization is the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization. In 1920s, a new civilization was discovered, and the newly discovered civilization is Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Numerous excavations have taken place in the last century at various sites, uncovering a lot of information about this civilization. With the partition of India, a number of major sites are now in Pakistan. Major sites of Indus Valley civilization were now under the control of Pakistan, that is mainly after the partition of India. Now here I will going to explain about some of the major sites of the Harappan civilization. First major site of this civilization was Harappa. Harappa is the first discovered city. It is situated in the left bank of river Ravi. Dairam Sahani discovered the site in 1921 AD. In 1921 AD, Dairam Sahani discovered Harappa. Later, many discoveries were made in the Harappa by various archaeologists. Ports, granaries, quarters for employers, systematic city administration, the evidence of burial system, weapons, and more than 800 seals were discovered at Harappa. During the archaeological discoveries, more than 800 seals, then granaries, ports, then towns, then various other things or ruins of these civilization were discovered at Harappa. After Harappa, we have another important site of this civilization is Mohenjo-daro. In Sindhi language, Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the dead. Mohenjo-daro is very vast city and best example for Indian art and architecture. Mohenjo-daro is one of the best example for Indian art and architecture. Dr. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in 1922 AD. In 1922 AD, Dr. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro. Two mounds were discovered in this city. Sir John Marshall studied these two mounds from 1922 to 1930 AD and published a book, Mohenjo-daro and Indian Civilization. Actually, Mohenjo-daro was discovered by Dr. R.D. Banerjee, but later systematic study was conducted by Sir John Marshall, and he was also published a book by name Mohenjo-daro and Indian Civilization. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹರಪ್ಪದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುವುದು ಈ ಆರ್ಕಿಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆಸಿದಂತಹ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ವೆಗಳಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರೀಸ್ ನಿಂದಾಗಿ. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಜನ್ 1904 ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆರ್ಕಿಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 1920s ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಸರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಕಿಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಅದರ ಫಲವಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ನಗರಗಳು ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಹರಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊಹೆಂಜೊದಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಿಂಧು ನದಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹರಪ್ಪದ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಬಹುತೇಕ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಧು ನದಿ ಬಯಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲು ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸೈಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಹರಪ್ಪ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಸಿಂಧು ನದಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹರಪ್ಪದ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ with these archaeological discoveries, Harappa, then Mohenjo-daro, and later on many important cities and sites of this civilization were discovered. At Mohenjo-daro, large houses, wells, bathrooms, ports built by burnt bricks, drainage system, etc. were discovered. Then we have another site of this civilization is Chunhadaro. Chunhadaro is another major city of this civilization. N.G. Mazumdar discovered this city in 1931 AD. The city had manufacturing unit of toys, bangles, shells, etc. All these things were discovered, that is manufacturing unit of toys, then bangles, shells, etc. were discovered at Chinodharo. Then another important site of this civilization was Kalibangan. Kalibangan is another important site discovered in India. Kalibangan means black bangle. This city has two mounds. It is the best example for the prime of the Indus and mature Harappan civilization. Granaries, skeletons of camels, wheels, terracotta symbols, stone knife, toys, copper axes were discovered at Kalibangan. The most ancient traces of tilling are also discovered at Kalibangan. Then another site of the civilization was Dholavira. Dholavira is the biggest Indus Valley city found in India. Dholavira is the biggest Indus Valley city which was found in India. It is one among the four cities of Indo-Pak subcontinent. Dholavira is one among the four cities of Indo-Pak subcontinent. Actually, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were the two great cities of the civilization, but both cities are in Pakistan. Dholavira is in Kutch district in Gujarat. R.S. Bist discovered the city in 1990. In 1990 AD, R.S. Bist discovered Dholavira, that is in Gujarat district. The city was surrounded by port and had both early and mature Harappan traces. Means this is based on the development of the city. Then another discovered site of this civilization was Rangpur. It is on the bank of Kathiawar in Gujarat state. While making roads, the mound was dug, leading to the excavation of this city, that is Rangpur. Harappan pots, terracotta seals, and women's jewelry were discovered at Rangpur. Another major site of this civilization was discovered, that is at Lothal. This is another important site of this Harappan civilization. Lothal is an example for the final stage of this civilization. Lothal was a port, basically that is a port and center for maritime trade. S.R. Rao excavated the city in 1950 AD. Lothal was excavated or discovered by S.R. Rao. This discovery helps to understand the trade relation of Harappans. Shipbuilding industry was also discovered here. So all this is about some of the important towns or sites of the Harappan civilization which were discovered by different archaeologists at different years. So all this is about the introduction about this civilization, and in next class I will going to discuss about the features of Harappan civilization. Thank you students.